This is Ron back for another Mavic Mini tip of the day here. This one concerns the fact that the Mavic Mini can actually record without an SD card in it. So, like the bigger Mavics, like we'll say the Mavic 2, if you forget your memory card, it has 8 gigabytes of storage built in where you can still record. Now, the Mini doesn't have any built-in storage, but what it'll do, if you forget to put your memory card in and you go out to the field, it will record directly to your phone's memory. So if you take pictures without a memory card, they'll be like one megabyte picture files, and if you record video, it'll be 720p at 30 frames per second, then recorded to your phone in of course lower resolutions than if you'd have your memory card in. So I'm going to start a little screen recording here on the iPad Mini. So let's start a screen recording here. Okay, we're recording now. Okay, so I have you can probably see here, I have the screen up here on the Mini. We're already have the drone started up, and we're already in the DJI Fly app, and you can see in the upper left hand corner in orange lettering it says no SD card, and what you'll see is unusual is the record button is now red, and it's the icon of your phone there. So let's go ahead and see what configuration we're in here. Okay, we're in okay, you just change it. Okay, we're in camera mode now. So still got my little histogram here. We got our EV. So let's go back to auto here. So as you can see, the auto's making it way too bright. So let's give you a little tip here in how to change that. So let's change the shutter speed up to 1/100. Okay, so that looks a lot better, right? And the ISO 400. We'll go down to 200 because we don't want to be in real grainy at 400 here. And what's we can't change that, so let's go back and go. Okay, so there we go. That looks pretty well exposed there. So let's go ahead and take a picture by hitting the button on the screen here. All right, so we took a picture. Again, that'll be low res 1 megapixel picture. I don't know the size of the picture, but we'll figure that out later when we look at it on the computer. So, okay, you tap up here again. Instead of getting the complicated, all the functions of whether to set it at for video here, instead of getting all the 2.7 or 1080p, all those settings, all you get is generic the movie icon, because all you're going to do is be able to do in 720 30 frames per second. So again, hit the red, the record button is now red, and the image of your phone's on it, indicating that it's going to record directly to your phone. So let's hit that again. Alright, so we'll record a few seconds of video here, and then we'll pop that on the end so you can see the quality here. I know it won't be much of an exciting video because things, we'll pretend like we're flying a drone around here. There you go. So there was a little drone footage. Okay, we're going to stop it here. And so that's it. So short and sweet video here. So if you do forget your memory card for any reason, you still can take pictures and video. It'll be low res, of course, and you'll be limited by how much space you have on your phone memory, particularly for video. But you will be able to get something at least. So that's something that wasn't talked about much, but it is kind of a handy feature. So again, thanks for stopping in for one of Ron's quick Mavic Mini beginner guide tips, and we will see you on the next tip. All right, thank you.